In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google Store account. This simple guide will help you seamlessly access your account so you can start shopping for your favorite Google products. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Store homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type Google Store into the search bar. Press enter and you should see the Google Store link at the top of your search results. Click on that link to be taken directly to the homepage of the Google Store. Now that you're on the homepage, it's essential to make sure that the location settings suit your needs. You may need to adjust this if you're traveling or using a public device. To change the location, look towards the upper right corner of the page for a small globe icon or a text link that reads change. Clicking this will lead you to a new page where you can select your preferred region. This is important because product availability and pricing might differ from one country to another, so you want to ensure that the website reflects the correct region for your shopping experience. Once you've selected your desired location, simply click continue to confirm the change. You'll notice that the page reloads to reflect the changes you've made. At this point, you've successfully set up your Google Store to align with your preferred location. With your location set, it's now time to log into your account. Look for the Sign In button, which can typically be found at the top right-hand corner of the Google Store homepage. Click on this button and you'll be taken to a login page. Enter your registered email address associated with your Google account in the email field. It's important to remember that this should be the same account you use across all Google services to maintain a seamless experience. After typing in your email, press Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. If you are using a private device and wish to stay logged in for future visits, you could choose to enable the Stay Signed In option. However, be cautious about doing this on shared or public computers to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once your password is entered, click Sign In and you will be directed back to the Google Store homepage. You'll notice that instead of sign in, your name or Google account icon will now appear in the same area. This indicates that you are successfully logged into your Google Store account and ready to browse and shop. Following these instructions, you should now have easy access to all the products and details available on the Google Store, ready to enhance your digital life. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!